to Papa and Tita?
Yes.
Really? What would you like to say?
I want to show you a nest.
Well, what kind of nest?
This one.
I can't show them that nest
Why?
because it's my belly button.
No. Come on. Look.
No, 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 no.
Come on.
No.
Come
Oh.
on. Right now.
Look at that face. Have you seen that face? Okay.
Come on.
Now, what would you like to tell Papa and Tita?
A bird nest.
It's not going to happen
Why?
because I don't want them to see my belly button.
Tita and Papa gonna laugh. That's okay for me, but that's not okay for you.
Fine.
Thank you.
How about your belly button?
No, that's my nut. My belly button's too small. I can't fit.
Let me see. Oh!
Wait, let's watch. Watch. I will lay down.
Belly button.
It's not fit the whole thing.
Okay, it's enough belly button. Hi, Mom. Don't be moving around so much. Nice. This is a video.
Papa.
Okay, now tell Pete. I'm going to turn this off. Now, what would you like to tell Papa and Tita?
Secret of a bird nest.
Okay, tell them the secret of the bird nest.
You do know how to make a bird nest, so I'm going to teach you how to make a bird nest of a bird. This is the bird marble.
Okay, a bird marble?
Yeah.
Okay.
First, you get some sticks and go together.
And where do you put the bird?
Right here.
In the bird nest.
In the bird nest.
All right. Oh.
Yeah.
Well, time to say goodbye, okay? Don't eat the bird.
Don't eat the bird.
Okay. Say bye. Okay.
Bye-bye.
Enough. Okay, bye.
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 Googa.
Bye.
Googa. Googa.
Okay, that's enough.